Handling multi-country payroll can feel like navigating a maze, especially if you're managing employees across different tax laws, currencies, and compliance regulations. But with Deel, managing multi-country payroll becomes a streamlined process. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to handle your international payroll easily, and why Deel is the go-to platform for simplifying this complex task. Before we dive in, I want to remind you that you can use Deel for completely free from the first link in the description below. You'll also get access to exclusive bonuses when you sign up. Stick around because I'll reveal how to maximize this offer at the end. Now, let's get into how to handle multi-country payroll with Deel. Deel allows you to pay employees, contractors, and freelancers all over the world without needing to set up multiple entities or deal with complex international laws. The software automatically takes care of taxes, benefits, and compliance across 150 plus countries. So, you can forget the hassle of managing payroll in different currencies or calculating complicated tax rates yourself. The first step in using Deel is to set up your company's profile. Here you'll input your business details such as country, tax ID, and industry type. After this, you can start adding your team. Deel makes it easy to add both employees and contractors to the system. Whether they're local or remote, Deel handles the legal nuances, ensuring you're in compliance with each country's labor laws. Once your team is set up, Deel allows you to onboard them seamlessly. It's a huge time saver compared to manual onboarding, especially when you're dealing with employees in various countries. Deel handles all the contract generation, including customized contracts tailored to each country's laws, so you don't have to worry about compliance issues. No need to manually adjust to each country's language or specific legal requirements. Deel does all that for you automatically. As for paying your employees, Deel gives you the flexibility to pay in over 120 currencies. You can also choose how you want to pay, whether by bank transfer, digital wallet, or even cryptocurrency. Deel takes care of the conversion and transfers, ensuring that employees are paid on time and in the correct currency. All of this is automated, meaning you don't have to worry about exchange rates or conversion fees eating into your budget. Deel also provides a real-time dashboard that lets you track all payroll expenses and employee details across your global team. This makes it incredibly easy to keep your accounting clean and organized, as Deel syncs directly with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. One of the most powerful features of Deel is its tax automation. You don't need a tax expert in every country you operate in. Deel automatically calculates the proper tax deductions, making sure you comply with local tax laws. This includes things like withholding tax and any other country-specific benefits or deductions. But there's more. Deel's reporting feature lets you generate payroll reports instantly, making it easier for your HR and finance teams to stay on top of payroll, taxes, and compliance. You'll be able to view data by country, employee, or specific pay period, helping you make data-driven decisions about your global payroll strategy. Another aspect of Deel that stands out is the ability to manage benefits. Deel can administer benefits like healthcare, pensions, and stock options for employees in multiple countries, ensuring that your global team gets the same level of care regardless of location. Finally, Deel is built with security in mind. With multi-factor authentication, encryption, and regular audits, you can trust that your company's sensitive payroll data is protected. So, whether you're a small business expanding globally or a larger company with teams spread out across multiple countries, Deel is a comprehensive solution for managing multi-country payroll. And before I wrap up, remember that you can start using Deel completely free from the link below. You'll get an exclusive extended free trial and access to bonuses that'll help you get started. By using Deel, you save time, reduce compliance risks, and focus more on growing your business without the headaches of dealing with international payroll on your own. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the link below to get started today.